Hi friends, and welcome back to From the Ground Up, Practical Wisdom from the Robertson Rottie Ranch. In the last episode, we talked about food as a foundation. Today, we're building on that with something just as important and often misunderstood: herbs. Herbalism isn't meant to be reserved for emergencies. It isn't something you reach for only when you're already run down, overwhelmed, or unwell. At its heart, herbalism is about daily support. Herbs work best when they're used gently and consistently, supporting the body over time instead of forcing quick fixes. They help create steadiness rather than reacting to crisis. And here on the ranch, herbs are a part of everyday life. They're woven into meals, routines, seasonal transitions, and moments of care, not pulled out only when something goes wrong. Herbs are used the same way food is used here: quietly, intentionally, as support. One of the biggest misunderstandings around herbalism is the belief that it needs to be complicated, that you need dozens of herbs, strict protocols, or perfectly timed interventions. But what we've learned over time is that herbal support works best when it's simple. One or two herbs, used regularly, aligned with the season and the person. Herbs don't replace nourishment. They don't replace rest. And they don't replace responsibility. They support foundations that are already being built. And when herbs are used this way, the body doesn't have to constantly play catch-up. Instead, it's supported in staying balanced, resilient, and responsive. Here on the ranch, herbs are often used before there's a problem, to support digestion, to ease stress, to support resilience during seasonal shifts, to gently nourish the nervous system during demanding seasons of life. This kind of support doesn't feel dramatic, but over time, it adds up. Energy becomes steadier. Recovery feels easier. The body feels supported instead of strained. Herbalism, when practiced this way, becomes less about fixing something that's broken and more about maintaining what's already working. That's why daily herbal support matters. It teaches patience, it builds awareness, and it encourages relationship. Because herbalism is relationship-based, with plants, with the land, and with ourselves. It asks us to pay attention, to notice how the body responds, to adjust gently, to work with nature instead of against it. This series isn't about complicated protocols or doing everything at once. It's about rebuilding trust. Trust in your body, trust in natural rhythms, and trust in the slow, steady tools that have supported people for generations. When herbs are used as everyday support and not emergency measures, they become one of the most powerful foundations that we can build. In the next episode, we'll explore how animals teach leadership without words, through consistency, presence, and trust, and why those lessons matter far beyond the ranch. I'll see you in the next episode, friends. Bye.